behavior is very important. Then what job you are doing, what income you are getting, all these things are different. Okay, how much you are getting is nothing. The only required thing is how you are going to behave with money. How you are behaving with money. What about your emotions? What about your habits? These things matters a lot to become rich, to get financial freedom. Remember that. But so, sir, I'm getting 10 lakhs per month. 10 lakhs per month I'm getting. But at the end of the day, assume there are some person, not myself. A person is telling, I'm getting 10 lakhs per month, sir, like. But at the end of the day, how much you are saving? No, sir, not in a position to save. Okay, we went to the Europe tour, we went to the US tour. Next and after that, we did a big celebration kind of thing. Okay, like it's good, good. But at the end of the day, how much you are saving is nothing. Next month, I will try to save. Okay, there is a person is there who acts as a sweeper. Who acts as a sweeper? Just the salary she is getting 4,000 rupees. How much have you saved? Anything like, yes, sir, I saved 500 rupees for the next future purpose. Like, who is the great? Who is the great here? Either sweeper of 4,000 salary is the great,
4%.
or 10 lakhs per month. Okay, he's getting that person is the great. Observe that the behavior is very, very important. I told there is a person, Richard. Have you remembered Ronald? There is one example, beautiful example I told. Ronald, do you know he acts as a car mechanic in the petrol bunk, and some days of his life he worked as a sweeper. Okay, like that. So his life completed just in the two-bedroom house, very small house. Okay, so his life completed, complete life almost around 90 years. He completed very normal life. But there is a person in there named with Richard. Do you know he was a Harvard MBA, started multiple companies. He constructed a big house, almost around 60 acres land, something like a big house, swimming pool, almost around 30 or 40 rooms, something like he created so. But the end, what happened is the person who live in very small double bedroom house, very small job like a sweeper. Okay, he's in a position. He died as a rich person, and most of his properties he wrote the will saying that, okay, he wrote the will nama in Telugu we are using that. He wrote the will saying most of my earnings, can you please donate to so and so hospital and so and so schools, like that person donated, okay, his money, like ended as a rich person. Okay, this person bankrupt. Okay, insurance people are going to auction his properties. At last, his situation was very difficult. So here the problem is how much earning we are. Next, how much earning every month we are. Next, what job we are doing. All these things are not important. How you are behaving with the money, that thing is very, very important.